Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your NAVITEL 787 louder. So at the start you have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume and choose one of these volume buster. I'm always using the Goodie app. Now tap on the OK and the tool is active. Oh, you have to click yes, agree or no thank you 3 times. Close this window and the tool is active. Now you can boost your level power by this slider. If you want to stop the app, click on the stop service and OK. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.